Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss deadlocks in C#. Deadlocks in C# often occur due to improper use of task.result method or task.wait in combination with async and await. In this video we are going to cover these 5 points. Difference between dot result method and await. Why dot result can causes the deadlocks, why avoids the deadlocks, and when dot result will be the safe, and best practices to avoid deadlocks. Let's see some practical example how we can avoid the deadlocks, how it will cause the deadlocks also. For that I am going to create one console application. I'll create a console, just to select demo deadlocks, click on next. I am creating a .NET 8 application, so just click on create. It will create a console application. The first one is the difference between dot result and await. The dot result method, it will block the calling thread until the task is completed. If the calling thread is from a UI or it has a synchronization context, this can lead the deadlocks. Await is, it is asynchronously wait for the task to complete. It will freeze up the calling thread to perform other operations. It will not cause the deadlocks. Most of the scenarios, if we use as a correctly. So let's implement here one. First we'll see how the deadlock will occur and how we can overcome it. So first I will going to create here one method. It will return a string. Okay, so that will be like async method. I will define static async task. This will return as a string, so I am defining string, and the name is, let's use get string async. Let's say like this only, like task.delay 1000 milliseconds, and return will be returning as a data. So this is async method. I am going to call this async method into synchronous method. So let's static void, let's say the name as method with result. Method with the result. Inside this method I am going to call that. So let's where result equal to get async method dot result. Let's print this also. The result value is and now method with the result we defined. So this method I am going to call from main method, because we created as a console. The console entry point is a main method. Static async task main. This will default string works. I'm calling. Let's print this one as a start. Here I'm going to start this application. I'll say like task dot run. Inside this run we are going to call that method with result. Now here I am going to use a wait method. If you observe here, the get string async is, it will return a data. It is an asynchronous method with async and await. I called from a synchronous method by using a dot result. So this will occur deadlocks here. So again here For this method I am calling from asynchronous. So here also dot wait method I used. Here also it will occur deadlocks. So this can be like calling from a UI, or I can do it in console also. So this is a dot result will it can leads the deadlocks. Now how we can avoid the deadlocks, we'll see. So for that I am going to create one more method with the avoid, like static async task. I'll name it as a method with avoid. Method with avoid I'll use it. Method with avoid. Here also same, I'll call a get string async method. Let's say where result equal to, here I'm going to use a avoid get as a async. I'll print the same, the result value is result. This method I am going to use from the start.main method, main method, by using a await keyword. If you see here, so this is a, by using a await we can avoid the deadlocks. You can comment. So like this we can use a dot result method or async and avoid. If you are mixing with dot result and avoid, or wait with async, that will lead to the deadlocks. We have covered difference between dot result method and avoid, and the second one, dot result can causes the deadlocks, avoid avoids the deadlocks, we covered. And the fourth one, when the dot result method is a safe. We are using a console application. In the console application or services, where if there is no synchronization context is present, the dot result usually works without a deadlocks. How it meaning, like suppose we are defining a async get string as a async. I'm going to call directly from a main method, like I'll copy this. Let's say where result equal to dot result, dot result. If we call like this, this will not lead to deadlocks. Here there is no synchronization present, so definitely this will not lead a deadlocks. Like this we can use it. The best practices to avoid deadlocks, we can use avoid instead of dot result or dot wait methods, and also we can use configure avoid false, like suppose I'm calling the configure avoid false. Like this also we can configure, and do not mix with the synchronous calls with the async. Like synchronous method is this one, and get async is a asynchronous method. So do not mix with the synchronous and asynchronous. Prefer to use the asynchronous only. So like this we can avoid the deadlocks. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.